Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset Windows 11. It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to your Start menu, right click on it, and go ahead over to Settings. Click on it. Now once this one pops up, go to the left pane and click on System. Alright. Now once you're in here, scroll down a bit until you find Recovery. Alright, just go ahead and click on it. Now go to Recovery Options, which is right here. And in here, Reset this PC is available. Just click on Reset PC button right here at the right side. Click on it. Now, as you can see, we have two options. Number one is to keep my files or our files. And the second one is to remove everything. Now, as the title suggests, we're going to want to factory reset, right? So just go ahead and select Remove Everything. Click on it. And in here, in the next page, if you want to, you can go ahead and use Cloud Download, or just a local reinstall. If you use Cloud Download, it will automatically download recent updates and something like that. All right. Local reinstall, it will just use the current installer or the Windows files that is currently in your system. All right. If you want to use this and update later, go ahead and click on local reinstall. Click on it. And as you can see here, some additional settings right here. This option will remove apps and files and do not clean the drive. If you want to clean the drive, all right, just click on change settings right here. As you can see, there are multiple toggles. All right, clean data, yes. If you want to download Windows, go ahead and use this one. If you want to delete all files from all of your drive, go ahead and use the slider, toggle it on, and it says here it will delete all files from all drives. Clean data options will apply to all drives. Once you're okay with that, just hit on confirm. All right, and hit on next. There'll be simple prompts right there. Just go ahead and follow through. And after that, wait for the process to finish. It won't take long if your computer is fast. All right, then it will just restart by itself and you just factory reset your Windows 11. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.